Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we're taking a look at 5 strong buy dividend stocks for February. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at 5 stocks, all with ex-dividend dates in the month of February. The ex-dividend date is when you must own a stock before in order to be eligible for their next dividend payment. So with those coming up in the next few weeks, you won't have to wait long to start collecting that passive income. On top of this, these stocks are also all rated a strong buy from Wall Street analysts. So we're going to take a quick look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. I found all of these on the Tip Ranks dividend calendar. Found underneath the Tools menu, here you can go week by week and day by day to see what companies are scheduled to report. You can then filter by different factors like analyst consensus, market cap, and sector. For our first stock, we're looking at Entergy. They trade under the ticker ETR, currently priced above $96 per share. The stock has climbed about 17% in the past year, and the last 3 months is up slightly, just over 1%. Entergy is an integrated energy company that generates, transmits, and distributes electricity to about 3 million customers. It operates about 24,000 megawatts of generating capacity, including nuclear, natural gas, coal, hydro, and growing renewables, making it one of the cleaner, large-scale fleets in the U.S. The company has a steady history of increasing their dividends, and their next ex-dividend date is coming up on February 9th. Back in November, they increased their dividend by 6.7% to 64 cents per share for a dividend yield of 2.64%. That ex-dividend date leads to a payment date of March 2nd. They'll be sharing their fourth quarter earnings report in a week on February 12th, and this does follow an earnings and revenue beat back at the end of October. Earnings per share of $1.53 beat estimates by 10 cents per share, while revenue of $3.81 billion also beat expectations. The company raised the bottom of their guidance by 10%, announced initiatives like the Superpower Mississippi, a $300 million investment to harden the grid and improve reliability, and said that their data center pipeline has grown from 7 to 12 gigawatts. Entergy has 10 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 8 buys and 2 holds. The average price target of $104 implies an upside potential of 8%. Looking at the price targets down below, on the low end we do have a hold rating with a downside of 5.6%, while on the high end we have a buy rating with an upside of 18%. Second on the list today is Levi Strauss. They trade under the ticker LEVI, currently priced just shy of $20 per share. Their stock is up 6.5% over the past year, and in the last 3 months is up 1.4%. Levi Strauss is an apparel company most known for their iconic Levi denim jeans brand. With roots dating back to 1853, it has shaped American casual fashion and culture for over 175 years. Not only do they sell their Levi's, they're also behind brands like Dockers in more than 120 countries, headquartered in San Francisco. In their last fiscal year, the company returned $363 million to their shareholders, and their next ex-dividend date is coming up on February 10th, with a payment date of February 25th. Their current quarterly dividend is 14 cents for a dividend yield of 2.58%. They shared their Q4 earnings report back at the end of November, where the company saw both an earnings and revenue beat. Earnings per share of 41 cents beat by 2 cents per share, while revenue came in at $1.8 billion, beating estimates by $90 million. Their organic net revenue for the full year grew 7%, and they saw a lot of acceleration in their e-commerce and direct-to-consumer. The company also delivered their highest ever gross margin for the year. Their stock has 13 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 12 buys and 1 hold. And the average price target of $27.25 implies an upside potential of nearly 37%. Looking at those recent ratings down below, they range from upsides of 25% all the way up to 65%. Third on the list today is Schlumberger. They trade under the ticker SLB, currently priced above $49 per share. We most recently talked about this stock back at the start of November. In the past year, it's gained 28%, and in the last 3 months is up 41%. SLB calls himself a global technology company that drives energy innovation. They specialize in providing advanced technology for reservoir characterization, drilling, production optimization, and processing to the oil and gas industry. They also focus on decarbonization of operations, digital solutions at scale, and scaling new energy systems to accelerate the energy transition. Over the last 3 years, the company has an impressive compound annual growth rate of 20% for their dividend, and their ex-dividend date is on February 11th. With a payment date of April 2nd, their current quarterly dividend is 28.5 cents per share for a dividend yield of 2.98%. They just shared their latest earnings report in the last week of January, where they did come out with an earnings and revenue beat. Earnings per share of 78 cents beat estimates by 4 cents per share, while revenue climbed to $9.75 billion, beating by over $199 million. They generated $3 billion in cash from operations and saw digital revenue of $825 million, which was up 25% sequentially. And with 16 current analyst ratings, the SLB stock does come in as a unanimous strong buy. The average price target is $53.58 for an upside potential of 7.8%. Looking at those most recent ratings, they range from an upside of just 0.5% all the way up to over 22%. For our fourth stock today, we're looking at Kodiak Gas Services. They trade under the ticker KGS, currently priced at $46 per share. This is one we've talked about before. I think it was late 2024. Overall, in the past year, they're down 8.5%, but in the last 3 months are up over 24% and have just jumped up over 8% today. Kodiak is a leading U.S. provider of natural gas contract compression services. They own and operate a large fleet of high-horsepower gas compressors with over 4 million horsepower, used primarily for field gas gathering, gas lift, processing plants, pipeline transmission, and enhanced oil recovery. They serve oil and gas producers and midstream companies across all major U.S. basins, with particular strength in the Permian Basin. Their ex-dividend date is on February 13th, and back in October, they increased their quarterly dividend by 8.9%, bringing their quarterly dividend to 49 cents per share for a dividend yield of 4.86%. With the ex-dividend date of February 13th, we have a payment date of February 20th. Kodiak shared their latest quarterly report at the start of November, and they actually came out with both an earnings and revenue miss. This was primarily due to 2 large one-time charges. They reported a loss per share of 17 cents compared to the 49 cents analysts estimated, and revenue of $322 million did fall about $4.4 million short. The company had a $33 million loss on the divestiture of their Mexico operations, plus a $28 million expense to increase the reserve for their Texas sales and use tax matters. But Wall Street does not seem deterred by this, as with 7 current analyst ratings, Kodiak does come in as a unanimous strong buy. The average price target was over $44 per share, but after today's jump up in price, that now represents about a 4% downside. Looking below, we can see those downsides ranging from an upside of 1.3% to downsides of 10% now, so we'll see how analysts update those moving forward. If you've made it all the way to our 5th stock today, then make sure you've hit that thumbs up button. Last on our list, we're looking at Brrokfield Renewable Partners. They trade under the ticker BEP, currently priced at $29.50 per share. Their stock has climbed 32% in the past year, but in the last 3 months is down slightly at 3.39%. Brrokfield Renewable owns and operates one of the world's largest renewable power portfolios. Their diversified assets include hydroelectric, wind, solar, battery storage, distributed generation, and emerging sustainable solutions across North America, South America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. They produce and sell clean electricity primarily under long-term contracts to utilities, corporations, and governments, while actively developing new projects to support global decarbonization. Their ex-dividend date is near the end of the month on February 27th, and just a few days ago, they increased their dividend by 5%, bringing it to about 37 cents per share for a dividend yield of 5.48%. Their payment date is on March 31st. Their Q4 report came out last week on January 30th, where we saw an earnings and revenue beat. Earnings per share came in at 54 cents, while revenue came in at $885 million. For the full year, their funds from operation came in at $1.334 billion, which was up 10% year over year. And they deployed or committed a record $8.9 billion of growth. Brrokfield Renewable comes in as a strong buy with 8 buys and 2 holds, and an average price target of $34.70, implying an upside potential of 17%. Looking at the price targets down below, they do range from a downside with this hold rating at 5.4% to a high-end upside of 31%. So that is a very quick look at 5 strong buy stocks, all with ex-dividend dates in the month of February. Let me know your thoughts on these companies and what other dividend stocks are on your watch list lately. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to sell any specific stock, so please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thanks so much for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.